Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond Illustrations. In this video we are going to draw a desert. I already have a drawing on my canvas. Start by changing the background color to yellow. Create a new layer. And with a monoline brush, you will paint the sand with orange. Create another layer as a clipping mask. Go to the selection tool and select the areas that are going to be the shadows. Using the soft brush, paint the shadows with a darker orange and with brown. Go to the Shadows layer and select the Alpha Lock option. Select the soft brush and a darker orange, and with the selection tool select this area. Create a new layer as a clipping mask and put it under the Shadows layer. Using the soft brush and a lighter orange, you will paint this area. With the selection tool, select this area to make a brighter highlight. Create a new layer and put it under the other layers. Using the soft brush and a light yellow color, paint the light of the sun. And using a monoline and a white color, draw a circle and fill it with white. Go to the Adjustments panel and select Bloom, select 2%. Using the monoline brush, draw the clouds and fill them with white. Using a soft brush, as an eraser, erase these parts of the clouds. And go to the opacity and reduce it to 35%. Create a new layer and open the brush library, go to Materials and select Noise Brush. Paint the canvas with white. Go to Blending Modes and select Overlay as 60%. Erase some details. And that's it. This is how to draw a desert. I hope that you learned something new with this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to keep watching more videos about Procreate. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.